Understanding this one thing will enable you to plan out every light concept thinkable. Look at this picture. What do you see? Light direction, light source, sunlight, light bulb. You see, sunlight is parallel, while source light moves out. But that's not all. With sunlight, the angle can change, and with it, the whole look. With this miniature I painted a couple weeks ago, I used sunlight at an angle. Completely a different look than a zenithal. And you can choose any direction of light. Sideways, zenithal, or even anti-zenithal. With source light, it gets even more complicated. At some point, you start to have not just a point as a light source, but an object. Of this object, every point emits light in every direction. How to put this one into practice will be a future worry. For now, focus on painting sunlight. It's way easier.